Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best video lighting kits that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Starting off at number 5, we have the Nice VD 2-pack LED video light kit. This kit is perfect for those who want versatile lighting options without breaking the bank. With adjustable color temperatures ranging from 2800K to 6500K, and brightness levels from 10% to 100%, it offers great flexibility for video recording, live streaming, and photography. Its high CRI of 97+ ensures accurate color reproduction, which is essential for professional-grade visuals. The design features a compact 10-inch by 7.8-inch LED panel that's easy to carry and comes with a durable storage bag. The aluminum tripod is lightweight yet sturdy, adjustable up to 73 inches, and offers good stability during use. The kit's USB power connectivity adds convenience, allowing you to use power banks or laptop USB ports. However, it requires a 5-volt, 2-amp DC wall charger, which isn't included. While it's not as robust as some higher-tier options, the Nice VD kit is ideal for beginners or casual creators who need an affordable and portable lighting solution. Its lightweight build makes it easy to transport, but it does lack advanced features like wireless controls, which may be a drawback for more demanding users. Overall, this kit is a great entry-level choice for small-scale productions. At number 4, we have the Torjum Softbox Photography Lighting Kit. This set is tailored for creators who need soft, diffused lighting to eliminate harsh shadows. Featuring high-quality PET fabric and a foldable nylon softbox cover, the kit offers excellent light diffusion and a wide illumination range. The included 85-watt energy-efficient bulb provides adjustable color temperatures from 3000K to 7500K, making it versatile for various lighting scenarios. The aluminum alloy tripod is reliable and stable, with independent locking knobs that ensure it stays firmly in place. The 210-degree rotatable softbox head adds flexibility, allowing you to adjust the angle to suit your needs. This makes the kit ideal for portrait photography, live streaming, and video recording. Its durable build ensures longevity, and the energy-efficient bulb not only saves electricity, but also boasts an impressive lifespan. While the Torjum kit offers great performance for its price, it's bulkier compared to LED panel kits and may not be as portable. It's best suited for studio setups or creators looking for smooth lighting effects rather than portability. Overall, this is an excellent choice for those prioritizing soft, flattering light over mobility. Coming in at number 3 is a slightly different variation of the Torjum Softbox Photography Lighting Kit. This kit includes one softbox rather than 2, making it a more compact option. Like its sibling, this kit features high-quality PET fabric and an energy-efficient 85-watt bulb that delivers adjustable color temperatures between 3000K and 7500K. It's perfect for smaller setups or solo creators who need a professional lighting solution. The lightweight tripod extends up to 60 inches and provides solid stability, and the 210 degrees rotatable softbox head allows for flexible positioning. Whether you're streaming, taking professional portraits, or recording videos, this kit delivers consistent, soft lighting that enhances your visuals. Its compact size makes it easier to store and transport compared to larger setups, although it doesn't offer the same level of coverage as the 2 softbox kit. This single softbox kit is ideal for creators who need a reliable lighting solution for smaller spaces or portable setups. However, it might feel limited for those who need multi-directional lighting for larger productions. Overall, it's a great budget-friendly option for streamlined lighting needs. At number 2, we have the Neewer 2-pack Bicolor 660 LED Video Light and Stand Kit. This kit is a step up in terms of professional-grade lighting. With 660 LEDs split between warm white and cool white, it offers adjustable color temperatures from 3200K to 5600K and brightness levels from 0% to 100%. The CRI rating of 96+ ensures outstanding color accuracy, making it perfect for filmmakers, YouTubers, and photographers who demand precise lighting. The rugged aluminum design not only looks premium, but also aids heat dissipation without a noisy fan. The U-shaped mounting bracket allows the light panel to be tilted 360 degrees, providing maximum flexibility for lighting angles. Additionally, the barn doors help control light spill for more focused illumination. Dual power options, AC adapter or NPF batteries, make this kit versatile for both indoor and outdoor use. While heavier than other kits, the Neewer lights deliver unmatched performance and reliability for advanced users. The only drawback is the lack of wireless controls, but the high-definition LCD screen makes manual adjustments easy. This kit is ideal for professionals who need durable, high-performing lights for large-scale productions. And finally, at number 1, we have the GVM 2-pack LED video lighting kits with app control. This kit takes the top spot for its advanced features and professional-grade performance. With 480 high-quality LEDs per panel, adjustable color temperatures from 2300K to 6800K, and brightness levels from 10% to 100%, it offers incredible versatility for any creative project. The CRI 97 Plus rating ensures natural and accurate color rendering, making it ideal for studio photography and video production. One standout feature is the wireless app control, which lets you adjust settings remotely, a huge convenience for busy creators. The aerospace aluminum housing enhances durability while helping with heat dissipation, and the dual power options, AC adapter or battery, add flexibility for indoor and outdoor shoots. The included barn doors allow precise light shaping, while the lightweight build makes it surprisingly portable for such a powerful kit. The GVM kit is perfect for professionals who need advanced features like app control and high CRI accuracy. While it's priced higher than budget options, the value it offers is unmatched for serious creators. Its versatility, reliability, and ease of use make it the ultimate lighting kit for those who want the best in class. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.